In this video, we'll be showing you how we change the oil in our Toro Recycler 22. The first thing we're going to do is run our mower for about 5 minutes with the old engine oil in there. By running the mower for a few minutes, this is going to heat up that old engine oil and it should help it to drain more efficiently. After a few minutes have passed, we'll cut the power to the engine. Then, we want to make sure that the gas cap is securely tightened. Since to drain the oil, we need to tilt the mower on its side, last thing you want is to have gas coming out. Just make sure that gas cap is on nice and tight. Then, we'll go ahead and disconnect the spark plug wire. This is going to reduce the risk of an accidental start. The next thing we're going to do is check what type of oil is required for our engine. As you can see on the oil cap, it says SAE 30 is required. If your oil cap does not have the listed requirement, then you may need to check the owner's manual to see what type of oil your engine requires. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and prepare some of the materials to change the oil. We're going to lay down some cardboard in case anything spills, and then grab a paper towel and a pair of gloves, just to be on the cautious side for cleanup. And here we've got our little container of discard oil. This is all the bad stuff, so we're going to be dumping the old oil from our mower into this container. You could also use like an oil pan. You just want to make sure you have something to catch the oil because it would be a real pain if it spills. Taking our container, we're going to go ahead and put it up next to where that oil cap was. On this mower, there is no plug on the bottom to remove the oil. There's only one place where oil can go in and out. So we're going to have to tilt the mower on its side. And as you can see, it begins to pour on out. We're going to just keep draining this oil until it completely stops. As you can see, it has now begun to slow down and pretty much stops at this point. So we'll begin to tilt it back to its normal position. However, before we set it down, I would recommend grabbing a paper towel so you can wipe up any of that oil that may have spilt onto the side. Just going to make it easier to clean up. Before going any farther, we're going to go ahead and close up that container of the old oil, and then we'll make sure to discard it at a recycling center. With that old oil removed, it's now time to put in some fresh oil. We got the SAE 30 here. Now this mower, it holds about 20 ounces of oil, which is going to be about half of this bottle here. Your mower may be different, but for ours, we know it's roughly half a bottle, so that's what we're going to be starting with. And then as we fill it up, we will be periodically checking it with the dipstick just to see where we are at on that fill line. And since we weren't quite full on that check, we're going to go ahead and just add a little bit more oil into here, and then we'll go ahead and give it another check. And as you can see here, our oil is at that fill line, so we are good to go. Now, we'll just go ahead and replace that oil cap, and then reattach the wire for our spark plug. This is super simple. We're just going to push it back into place, and it should have a little click indicating that it is locked. And then we're going to go ahead and just run our mower for a little while just to get that new oil cycling through the engine. And that is how we change the oil in our lawnmower. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.